video, I'm gonna teach you how to install shaders in Minecraft. And that to Tlauncher Minecraft because that's the Minecraft which I'm playing. So I'm gonna teach you how to install shaders in Tlauncher Minecraft. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first thing, when you click on Tlauncher and it opens for you, before you press enter the game, go to this folder. Sorry, go to TL mods over here. Just click on TL mods and wait for it because it will take some time. It will literally take some time. And while we are waiting for this thing to get loaded, you could try subscribing to me. It's very free and you can always change your mind later onwards. So yeah, please do subscribe because I make a living out of this. Okay, thing has been loaded, so try clicking on TL once again. Will this still take some time? Just wait. Yes. Okay, so once you have TL mods in your, you can see TL mods in your screen like this. The first thing I want you to do is go to create. Just click on create and write anything. Like make sure you, here you can see the version of your game and make sure you're using the latest version and the fourth version also the latest. And then in your name, just type shaders or like anything we could type. I will just writing shaders 2.0 because yeah, because it kind of sounds cool. So I will like okay. So now I have created like shaders 2.0, and once I've done that, go to shaders or shader packs over here, and here you'll see lots of shaders, and each one of them are nice in their own ways. So I'm gonna go with Sildur's Vibrant because that's the shader which I took last time, and it's very nice. You see a bunch of versions of the Silder's Vibrant in here. This click on the latest one and like here click on install. Press the back arrow and you'll see this thing over here. And once that's done, just click on enter the game and it will take some time. So you have to just wait till then. That's it. Like it's not just that's not it. Hello guys. Okay, so now Minecraft has finally loaded and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I'll just go with single player for now. New world. Let's see. It'll take some time. Just don't worry. Giving world data. Take some time, please. And yes, Minecraft is good. So just see how amazing it is. Just look at this. Look at the water. Wow, we are in a swamp. Look at the water over here. And look at the sun. Sun is in a circle shape. It's literally in a circle shape. And look at the clouds. It's so realistic. Everything is so realistic. Look at the trees. Look at the grass. It's waving. The trees are moving. It's amazing. Look at the grass. It's so clear. And look at this. Look at shadow. There are shadows now. And the shadows are so clear. Everything is so clear and so, what do you say? HD quality. It's so amazing. This is how shaders look like in Minecraft, guys. And yeah, I hope you download shaders and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.